Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today, oh boy, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a really cool knife. Now, I gotta be honest with you, I've already been in this pouch. That's why there's no box, right? This is an unboxing. I'm gonna share it with you guys, but this came in on a Saturday. I generally don't record on Saturdays. So I opened it because I wanted to share it in the live stream. So if you caught the most recent live stream, you probably saw this. But for the rest of you, I also wanted to share this with you. So I am unpackaging it, but oh gosh, it's good. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, so what we have here is a Vero engineering knife. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to recognize that right off the bat. But this is a special one. Oh boy, what do we have here? Here's the deal, yeah, and yes. So this is my most recent acquisition. I was not expecting to acquire this. Let's go ahead and open it up for you guys. Yeah, so this is the Vero Engineering Isotope Integral. An incredible design, absolutely incredible. And I'll tell you guys right now, just after having handled this for a couple of days, I think this is easily one of the coolest knives to come out in 2021. This one, a special variant with Damascus inlays. I'm sorry, a Damascus inlay, Damascus pocket clip, and then I'd like to call that a pivot collar. It's actually the access point to the internals through the pivot is also Damascus. Very beautiful. Not very many of these. Thank you to the person who sold this to me. I really appreciate that. But yeah, this is a huge addition to my collection. Let me tell you guys, the action on this thing is unreal. Unbelievably smooth action. Everything is solid. We have perfect centering. We've got perfect lockup. No lock stick or anything like that. Sorry, that was a bad example because it clicked over that. Right, there we go. No lock stick. Some oil leaking out there, sorry. Well lubricated, that's for sure. You have the little rectangle there to do the reverse flick. Here's the crazy thing. This knife is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, and that's a good thing. This is my Vero Synapse XL, which is a huge knife, but you can see here, the Isotope is just as big. It's actually got more cutting edge as well, and the robustness, to my surprise, is also extremely similar. I like that. I kind of thought the Isotope was going to be a little bit, not a dainty knife, but just a little bit more delicate than it. This guy's robust. Beautiful contouring, and oh my gosh, the inlay work on this is just ridiculous. Sorry, the oils from my hands are taking away from the true beauty of these really nice looking. There's, as was recently brought to my attention, there's definitely good and bad Damascus, and this just looks stunning. The way that this is done. I love integral knives, all one-piece titanium knives. This guy's expensive. In fact, there was a drop here recently. I know people are asking, where can I get it? Where can I get it? I'll link his website down below so you can go look, but these dropped recently. The standard versions with the micarta or carbon fiber inlays, I believe, went for $500. The Damascus ones went for way more. Yeah, you know, follow Vero on Instagram. Check out his website. Be ready for the next thing that he drops between the Synapse models, both the standard and the XL, and the Axon, and now the Isotope. He's dropped some pretty awesome stuff, and both, you know, this guy I got off of his website, and it wasn't that, you know, just paying attention to the day of the release or the day of the drop, it was not that difficult to get, but, well, that would be the case. Vero actually allowed me to purchase a production sample of the Synapse XL, but there was plenty of time to purchase that one through the website. But what I'm saying is that if you guys want to get your hands on stuff like this, you know, they do go quickly, but it's not like waiting around for a random hinderer to drop. You know, Vero does a good job of letting people know when things are going to go live on the site. So he gives people a chance to do that. And the best way to be aware of that is, again, to follow him and check out his website. If you don't have an Instagram account, you want something like this, I would make one just for the Vero engineering knives. If you're wondering who the manufacturer of this is, it's the same as the Synapse, and as far as I'm aware, the other models. It's Bestech. And I got to tell you, this is the most amazing thing I have ever seen manufactured by Bestech. I'm going to say something that a lot of people are going to think it might sound crazy. I cannot tell the difference between this and everything that I have handled from Riot. Now, a lot of the credit is due to, of course, in fact, most of the credit is due to the design from Joseph Vero. How the final product comes out, you know, whether it's Riot, Bestech, whoever is doing the manufacturing work, it depends heavily on the information that is sent over about the design, right? All of the measurements and everything like that. It depends heavily on the information that is sent over from Vero to, in this case, Bestech. So this translated extremely well. This is a combination of, well, a good example of what Bestech is actually capable of doing, and, you know, Vero's sense for design. Absolutely amazing. I cannot find a flaw with this at all. This is wonderful. And I truthfully still don't like the bills on their pocket clips. It's the same way as on the XL here. The pocket clip is just huge. Everything else, though, I mean, truthfully, this is just flawless. It's ridiculous. You guys will get a full review on this. This is just an unbox. I just wanted to share this with you guys today. But this is easily in the top 10 knives of 2021 for me right now. I was just so absolutely blown away. I knew I wanted it, but this was one of those knives where I had no idea how much I was going to love this until I actually got it in hand. This is probably one of the most beautiful looking knives that I have ever reviewed on this channel. If you like simple lines, I am a huge fan of simple lines. I know you guys might be saying, it's a satin finish. You always say that you're tired of, I am tired of satin finishes, but I could not say no to this. M390 blade, by the way. And the satin finish is done incredibly well. I think there were a few that were tumbled, a few that were hand rub satin, and a few that were belt satin. This is a belt satin, but gosh, they did a good job. Really, really, really beautiful. I am very proud to add this guy to my collection. Like I said, full comprehensive review coming here in a few weeks. Just wanted to share this with you guys today. Check out the Vero Engineering website listed down in the description. Make sure you follow Vero on Instagram. Very, very cool. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.